Hey everybody.
Yeah, we got distracted.
Again.
Anyways.
But yes. Today it's been a month.
Yeah.
Hey.
The start of our second month, I guess.
Yes, the start of our second month full-time RVing.
Yeah, so we survived so far.
We're alive. We're here.
Praise the Lord Jesus Christ.
Yes, hydrated.
Yep.
Happy.
Yep.
Yeah. It's I was trying to it's 80-some degrees. Last time we were in St. Louis from our previous video, which we're probably showed before this one, it was hot, like sweltering, like oppressive heat. Yeah. And today it's really beautiful.
Yeah, it's actually really nice.
Something.
Yeah, it's got a nice cool breeze. Got a couple clouds in the sky.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we are at, see if I can pronounce this right, Laumeier Sculpture Park. Sculpture Garden and Park.
Yeah.
So behind us you see some sculptures. Yeah. And some signs, don't climb on the sculptures.
Don't climb on it, or they'll pursue you to the fullest extent of the law, apparently. Right. Don't know what that
it's gonna be like
means.
Fugitive or something, I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna walk around, get some pictures and stuff.
Yeah.
And Fox is also working on a music video, so be on the lookout for that.
It's a little DIY joint, so don't expect anything like, you know.
Like I said, she's working on a music video.
Yeah.
And so it's gonna be dropping whenever she's done with it. All right, so we're gonna walk around and try to look too much like tourists. Yeah,
or like we're using their, because who knows if we need a permit, but whatever.
Yeah, yeah. You okay? All right.
Hola everybody. Alicia and Niece here. Thanks, baby. So today I am recording my first video, first music video. Yay! And so, you know, people think that you need like super duper, you know, expensive production or whatever, and like cameramen and all this stuff. And I do have a cameraman, my husband. But I wanted to actually get started because I don't have a lot of money. I don't have a lot of time, I guess. I guess I have time, but I kind of want to do stuff now and do things with what I have. So I'm going to be making a music video for Lovely Day. It was on an EP that I put out, what, at least 3 years ago now?
Maybe so.
3 years ago. And so the whole concept is just me listening to music and singing along. And we are at Laumeier.
I think so.
Laumeier Sculpture Park in St. Louis. So yeah, traveling full time with my husband in our RV. We're in St. Louis today, and we're enjoying some sights and some free things. And so I'm gonna be recording a music video. Yay!
The giant eyeball. It's actually, yeah, it's very creepy. Look at that. Why would you want that in your yard?
It's cool. Those parks have like little paper boats on them.
Oh yeah. Interesting. Somebody's always watching you. Always watching.
Alright, so we're doing a little experiment. Like I said, we're only shooting using my phone. And the idea is that we're doing an Instagram story. So I was trying to download, what do you call it? Boomerang. It's not working right now, so I'm gonna try it again. And we just recorded the first verse at our first location, which is here at Laumeier, I hope I'm saying that right, Sculpture Garden.
Alrighty. So this is one of the sculptures. It says, "When I rise up, let me rise up, joyful like a bird." Can't see it because the sun's behind it. Oh. Alright. And then the next one says, "When I fall, let me fall like a leaf. Without regret, like a leaf. It's pretty poetic. Pretty good. Alright. Onward.
Onward.
Oh, there's a giant donkey over there.
Or a deer.
Oh yeah, that's a deer. Sorry, it's not a donkey. It's
I
a
thought it
deer.
was a donkey from behind.
Yeah. Maybe it's half deer, half donkey.
Scary either way. I have this fear of big sculptures of animals. I don't know, it's irrational, but it freaks me out. I know it's not real. I know it's not gonna move, but I'm afraid of it.
Yeah, we all have irrational fears.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah. So we are on to the next free day thing.
Yes.
Which is the St. Louis Art Museum.
Yes.
And so we're walking up to it right now. That is the museum. And then they have this right up front of the museum.
Are they gonna have movies?
Yeah, they're gonna have.
That's nice.
Yeah, they're gonna be playing, having outdoor movies. It's gonna be like, you're gonna set it up and then you can sit on the lawn. I guess where all these little white sticks are. They're blocking it off where people can sit. But yeah, that's gonna be tonight. And they're gonna be showing Ocean's 8. Alright guys, so we got into an art exhibit
For free.
for free, because usually
On Fridays.
on Fridays it's free at the St. Louis Art Museum.
Yes.
And so on Fridays it's free.
Alright, so we're still recording the video. We're actually in the art museum, and it's really awkward trying to sing in front of all these people and get some shots in front of like art like this. Oh no, it's backwards. Art like this, and it's really quiet in here, and the ceiling's really high, so it echoes. So I'm trying to sing really low. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go meet my friend Keziah. So yay!
Alrighty guys, so we were back in downtown St. Louis, and it's been a nice day.
It has.
If it was this weather last time we were
week,
here,
that'd
that would have been perfect. But it's really nice outside. It's getting a little cool.
A little breezy. I love it.
Yeah, there's a Cardinals game going on. So you can see lots of people walking over there.
The lights.
Yeah, the lights. Oh, I'm sorry. You know, they got it going on. Parking is kind of busy down here.
Yeah.
It's busy. It's busier down here tonight than it was the last time we
It
were
was
here.
like a ghost town last time we were here.
Yeah,
But one thing we noticed is that at home at a Capitals game,
parking
would-
stinks.
no, there'd be no
Yeah.
parking. Here though, we found parking.
Yeah, we
Not too
found-
far from here.
Yeah, we found some decent parking.
So yeah, I guess this is their idea of busy. I'll take it.
Yeah, but we just heard from somebody that lives here, a friend of ours, that downtown St. Louis isn't really the place to be anyway.
Really the
So
place to be? We've
who
been in
knew?
the wrong place the
Great.
whole
Who knew? Had no clue.
Right.
But seeing a lot more of our people actually.
I love it.
Yeah, it's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Anyways, we're getting ready to get something to eat.
Yeah. An RV down there.
Oh yeah. I don't know if you guys can see it. I can see the top of it. Hold on,
Yeah.
let me be a creep. There you go. Somebody driving around in the city. Maybe they're gonna find a spot to stay down here in St. Louis. But we're getting ready to get something to eat. Fox finished recording her music video for today, so big ups to her. And yeah, so we enjoy the day. We're gonna chill out and see what the rest of the weekend holds.
Yes.
Yeah. So we'll talk to you guys later.
Later.